somewhere together, and we have a lot of fun doing it. But I think we got worn out last night, and she's been a little sick. So, but luckily, I have a bunch of songwriters in town for a songwriter retreat that we've been doing all weekend. I see one way in the back walking in now. He's the real short feller that's about 8 foot taller.
Hey,
So I'll sing a few songs, and then we'll start getting some of the songwriters up here, and we'll switch on and off. I don't really have a system in mind, so maybe we should make a sign-up sheet or something if you all don't mind. Is that a pad of paper you got there?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. We'll make a sign-up sheet, and we'll just kind of go in order. We'll do 3 at a time once I'm done, and everybody do 2 songs each, and then we'll swap around until the end of the day. This old house holds the memories of a lifetime, of every laugh and every fight and every warm love and night with you. These creaky floors, they got a story to tell. They'll tell you things I'll never say myself. When first moved in, we was living in sin on a bed without a frame. Till you took my mama's ring and my daddy's last name. With the law, this house, it's just a house. There's some walls and stone and things we can live without. It's just you and me on the front porch swing, tin roof popping along. No matter where we go, we're gonna make it home. We're gonna make it home. This old heart is happy to hang on, but the rest of me is already leaving, already moving on to someplace new. In the front yard, there's that big old oak tree. And you'll imagine all the things they said. Run around that road now, Fred and Bruce, they once held the young and swings. They're all grown now and they're all moved down, but that old tree remains. Spent all of this house, it's just a house. There's some walls and stone and things we can live without. It's just you and me on the front porch swing, tin roofs popping along. No matter where we go, we're gonna make it home. We're gonna make it home. As we walk through life, time flies by, the clock ticks on, we're still walking each other home. With our law, this house, it's just a house. There's some balls and stone and things we can live without. It's just you and me on the front porch swing with the tin roofs topping along. No matter where we go, we're gonna make it home. We're gonna make it home. We're gonna make it home. We're gonna make it Thank y'all so much for the woos and claps. I like woos and claps. Where's y'all from?
Louisiana.
Louisiana. Cool, cool, cool. How long's y'all here?
We've been here 3 days.
Oh, you can get in trouble by that. You got it. It's good to have you. Probably one of the songs me and Abby Sunshine wrote together. Hope you like prison songs. If you ain't never been, I hope you get a chance to go.
Thanks.
This is long ago. This is probably the second song we wrote together. Me and her and Alicia got together at Pigeon Fork. And they helped me out. I've been sitting on, some songs take a couple hours to write and some take 10 years. I've actually been sitting on the story for 10 years and I got stumped. And I think we had 45 minutes before she had a big show at Dollywood and I had to be back in Gatlinburg and we knocked it out in 45 minutes. They helped me out and finally patched the wheel for me. I've been sitting on it for a long time. This is called Sinner's Serenade. I wanted a prison song with a little gospel in it, and I think we pulled it up. Matter of fact, she cut this one already.
I'm Ragged Dreams.
I'm Ragged Dreams out, yeah. Well, I just got sentenced for sinning in this poor dumb town. Crooked judge, he was grinning, but it's too late now. Well, I won't try to justify a single thing I've done. When he dropped that gavel, my life unraveled. Now I'm trying to pick the pieces up. There ain't no bars in a prison cell. It's all steel doors, bricks and mortar. Every day is getting longer, while my life is getting shorter. No one seems to recognize that I was good in better days. My only hope is to make parole, but that seems so far away. Now my life ain't my own no more because I've gone astray. I'm alone in myself and I talk to myself and say, I need redemption, some self-correction, because I learned my lesson. I'm gonna change my ways. I walk a straight and narrow, I fly free like a sparrow. I'm on my knees for prayer though. My only hope is hell. Is there a song for me though I ain't never been a saint? A sinner's serenade. Things could be worse. I've seen some folks that'll be here when they die. Seen the hardest criminal break down and cry. Me, I'm just counting down every single day. They come and go, but no one knows just how much I've changed. Now these important people's judging me, are seeing is my past. Each one is so skeptical, wondering if the good in got sense for sin in this poor dumb town. Oh, thank you all. Oh, I can see who's been to prison before now. That helps out.
Been there, done that.
You're gonna do it again. I'm having fun with y'all. I'll do a couple or a few more and then we'll get up whoever's. Do we got a list going?
Yeah.
Cool. Who's the first three after me? Like everybody's here and stuff like that?
Me and him's in 1 and 2, I go 2 and 3.
Awesome.
Nothing to say else to go.
I wrote this one with a brother of mine down in Georgia. His name was Robbie Hawkins. Girl, don't you miss our little home town? We used to talk about settling down. That's that old wooden bridge where the yellow daffodils grew. When we say it forever, I mean every word. But you left so fast, everything's a blur. Sometimes when I really get to miss you, I go driving down that old one-lane road, there to the middle with nowhere to go. Chasing that setting sun over a field of grain. Yes, I do, and it's like you're out there next to me, without a care under that willow tree. You park near the water and listen to a passing train. When I drive by your old house, I still feel the pain. I can see you walking away in the pouring rain. No, I can't burn the bridge to memory lane. We rode circles round that old town square. I've always thought that we could marry there. I still can't believe this all went wrong. Now it's driving me crazy, woman, where you been? Well, I'm broke down at this dead end, trying to figure out how to move on. So I go driving down that old one-lane road, heading to the middle with nowhere to go, chasing that setting sun over a field of grain. You know I'm going, and it's like you're right there next to me, without a care under that little tree. We park near the water and listen to a passing train. When I drive by your old house, I still feel the pain. I can see you walking away in the pouring rain. No, I can't burn the bridge to memory lane. So I go driving down that old one-lane road, headed through the middle with nowhere to go, chasing that setting sun over a field of grain. You know I don't, and it's like you're right there next to me, without a care under that willow tree, parked near the water and listen to a passing train. When I drive by your old house, I still feel the pain. I can see you walking